Today we're diving into a beginner-friendly guide on how to make money with DoorDash in 2024. Whether you're looking to earn extra income or explore a flexible side hustle, DoorDash can be a great option. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up and getting started. First, you'll need to sign up as a Dasher on the DoorDash website or through their app. It's a simple process where you provide some basic information and complete a background check. Step 2. Understanding the basics. Once you're approved, familiarize yourself with how DoorDash works. You'll receive delivery requests through the app, and you can choose when and where you want to work. Step 3. Setting your schedule. To maximize your earnings, consider scheduling your shifts during peak times, like lunch and dinner hours. This increases your chances of receiving more delivery requests. Step 4. Accepting and completing orders. When you receive a delivery request, review the details including the drop-off location and estimated earnings. Accept orders that make sense based on your location and the potential payout. Step 5. Tips for maximizing earnings. Efficiency is key. Try to complete deliveries quickly and accurately. Positive customer ratings can lead to more orders and higher tips. Step 6. Tracking your earnings. Keep track of your earnings through the DoorDash app. You'll see a breakdown of your delivery earnings, tips, and bonuses. Remember, consistency and reliability can lead to success with DoorDash. Whether you're delivering part-time or full-time, it's a flexible way to earn money in 2024. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you're ready to start making money with DoorDash, click the link in the description to sign up today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.